All right, welcome to the Violin Lessons channel. I'm Ben Barnes, and aka Bencasso. We're gonna learn how to hold the bow today. This is lesson 3. First, I want you to grab a pencil because you can do this while you're watching TV, at work, whatever. Some things you need to do is you need to be able to bring these knuckles above these knuckles and drop them. It's a lot of fingers happen with bowing, and holding your bow. Strictly Strings, page 6. They've got a lot of pictures that you need to study carefully, because that's what they tell you to do with the pictures. First, what you want to do is you want to take your thumb and put it in between the index or the middle and the ring finger, like this, and you want to curve the thumb and make a little heavy metal sign, something like that. And then you take a pencil and you put your first knuckle on the put the pencil on the first knuckle, and see how that goes. And you want your pinky to be curved. You don't want to lock it, and you don't have any control over the bow. And you can wave, you can lift your fingers off. There's a whole bunch of bow exercises that I'm going to show you. But you can bring the fingers up and drop them, bring them up, drop them. So then you can do that sort of practice watching TV, at work, whatever you're doing, at school. Now, when you get the bow, you're going to place these two fingers, the ring and the middle finger, on the first knuckle, just like you were going to do on the pencil, and then put your thumb in between the frog and the stick on top of the ferrule. Remember, this is the frog, the ferrule, and the tension screw, and the pinky goes next to the tension screw. Let's see it this way. See it this way. And here's one exercise that you can do. This is a fun one. You balance the bow, and you lift your fingers up, and so you can really feel the weight of the bow on your pinky. And the thumb is the fulcrum, and you can raise, you can lower, you put your fingers back. You take the right side of the bow and do the fingers exercise. Don't move your wrist up and down, just fingers up and down, just the fingers. And when you're bowing, you're going to put the violin into the bow back into 3 different parts. So you've got the tip, the middle part, and the third, and the frog. So the frog, your arm's going to be somewhat curved like a praying mantis, like this. And then as you go down towards the middle, it's just the forearm and the flat wrist. And at the tip, you're going to pull out your arm and put it towards the away from you, and then bring back there. You know, try it with your violin, try it with your bow. So start the frog. You can touch your nose with your wrist. You can see how my arm straightens out there. And here, it's just the forearm in the middle. And that's where we're going to start doing the lessons. It's just in the middle part of the bow. And you're going to take tapes and you're going to mark the bow up into thirds and play in between the tapes when you have the bow marked. So that is bowing, and here are a couple extra exercises. This is the race. I call it the race because when you're having an in-person lesson with me and you beat me at the race, then you get a free lesson. And so you spider walk your fingers all the way to the tip, from the frog to the tip, and then place your pinky and your ring finger on opposite sides of the stick and inchworm your way up. And see how fast I can do it. Yeah, when you can beat me, then you got a free lesson. And then that's the other exercise. And then fingers up, fingers down, fingers up, fingers down, fingers up, fingers down. So have fun with all that. We'll see you. We're going to start playing on open strings in page 7. So this was page 6. We're doing page 7 and 8 next. Thanks.